In this video, let us understand how to make higher education selection project. Example, after BE, what are the courses are available for you? What are the choices? Or after BCA, what are the choices? So here is the web application project demo. So this is done in ASP.NET with C# language with a backend SQL server. So if you're doing any computer science course and you need to do a project, so this is the ideal project for you because so this is different than the regular project. So therefore you can always choose this project to choose the higher education. So this is in this project we provide all the options how to enter the data. Therefore any student want to join for a higher course, when you select this, so it will show that what are the options available for him. So this is the web application project. You can use these technologies to write the web application project. So one is ASP.NET or Java or PHP or Python. Now let us understand the concept. So here we concentrating on the student. So student want to join for the course, okay. So therefore this project basically to help the student to choose for his higher education. So in this we have admin module. So this is the company will have admin module. The other one is a student module. So from the company side, from the admin side, what we can do is, so we can enter the course detail. What is the present course? Course details. So what is the next course? That is a higher course. Higher course details. Then which are the college they'll offer this particular course. So therefore college details. So you want to search the college, therefore you can search based on the city. So therefore you can write city details. So here student can sign up. So they can log in. Here they can choose the course, like choose course. So once you select it, what is their present course? They need to select. This is the present course. Once they select, let's say example is BCA, then what are the options for them that will show? Because we already entered all the options over here. What are the entries are done will be displayed over here. Therefore, student will understand these are the options available for him after this particular course. Same way, for a different courses, what are the courses are there that all we need to enter the data here, and what is the corresponding higher course that we need to enter here. Therefore, when the student search, he can easily search and he can choose the corresponding course, and he can also check out where in which college that this particular course is available. Therefore, it will be easy for the student to choose the higher education. I'll show this demo so then it much more give a clarity. So what exactly mean and how the whole concept works. So if you have any project requirement or you're looking for a customized projects, please contact us. Now let's look at the demo. So this is the admin main page. So here is the present course, higher course, subject, what are the subject comes under this higher course, exam related informations, country details, college details, and the student list. Overall student sign up, that list will come. If the student write the comments, that we can view it here. So these are the options which are provided in the admin. Then if you go to student main, so here you can choose the higher course, then you can see the college list, then you can write the comments. If you want, you can change the password. Now let's run the project. So here you can continue admin login. So now here is a present course. If I go to list, you can see BCA is already entered. So if I want to enter one more, I can say BE. This is Bachelor of Engineering. Right. So this is totally 8 semester course. Then you can save. Record created. Now we go to higher course. Okay. After BE, what other course we can do? So that is ME. This is Master of Engineering. 4 semesters. Now what is approximate fees? So around 4 lakh rupees. Right. So you can save the information. After BE, you can also do MBA. So this is Master of Business Administration, 6 semesters. So this around 5 lakh rupees. So you can also do MTech. So therefore you can write MTech, Master of Technology, that you need to expand and you have to write. So 4 semesters, around 6 lakh rupees. So like that, if you enter after this course, what are the choices like? Then you go to subject details. So if you take ME, first semester, what are the subject? So ME, if you are specialized into computer science, so CS1 subject, this is a computer science 1. So likewise, you need to enter all the subjects in ME. What is a subject you can enter? What are the subject you can study? All we need to enter here. So in case if you want, you can give ME specialization only. You can give it here. So therefore, it give more clarity. Then exam related info. So for ME, what is the exam name and what is the syllabus covered? All you need to enter. Okay. So this is the first term. So then, what is the syllabus covered in this first term? You can say that this is Java language. So in this language, okay. So what are the things covered that you need to write down? So what are the syllabus? So we need to write all the Java syllabus here. Therefore, student can understand. Okay, in this particular course, in this first semester, this is the exam name, and these are the things will be covered. So therefore, you can prepare for his exam based on the this content. So here content collection is also is very important, and we need to enter all the list. So here is a country name. Now we go as a student, and then we'll see. So I go to student list here. So we have one student. Okay. So I go to student login. So already signed up. So therefore I'll not go to sign up here. So straight away I go to login and then I log in here. Fine. So we can log in here. So we can choose the air course here. So what is the present course? Okay. So presently I'm doing BE. So for I can select BE. Then you can see these are the options are available for BE student. So you can do MBA, you can do BE, you can do MTech. So if you select MTech, then it'll show the details of MTech. What is MTech? What is the amount you need to spend for the MTech? Then college list. So here college list will show what are the courses they're conducting. All the course list will come here. Then you can write the comments. So comment related, please add after 10th options. So some student want to know about after 10th standard what are the options are there like. So you need to write in detail. So then you can send to this. So then in the admin, you can see that you can see the comment list here. So what are the comments the student sent? It will be coming over here. So therefore, so this is a new idea, new concept. So using this, you can build the whole application. So therefore, if you enter complete data, like data entry is very important here. So more and more data is entered, then student will have a lot of options, lot of choices. Therefore, easily you can choose the course whatever you want. Otherwise, he'll upgrade himself. What is that course is? What is the subjects are there? So all will get from this. So this is the advantage of this particular project. So now if you select ME, you can see the subject list also will come here. What are the subjects are there like and all will be shown. So these were the advantage of this project. So hope you understand the whole concept. So after this probably you can try add up more features or at least if you make this much of this for your academic purpose will do the job. Fine. So what are you thinking about it? Please write in the comment box. Let me know what you're thinking. And keep watch our channel so we'll come out with a new project title. So therefore it will help you to make the project. Thank you very much.